Hey there, welcome to Learn Guitar with Drew. I'm a guitar player from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, teaching privately for the last 24 years. I'm also super excited about having this YouTube guitar lesson channel, and I'm so glad you're here. Let's talk about what the channel has to offer. So when the world shut down a few years ago, I was looking for things to occupy my time, and I had always wanted to start a YouTube guitar lesson channel, so here I am. I'm super excited to have the channel. I'm going to try to help as many people as I can to get there with everything I've learned over the last 24 years of teaching. So this channel features lessons for beginner through advanced players. If you're just starting out, learning your first cowboy chords, learning how to hold a guitar, there's lessons to help you with that. There's intermediate lessons, there's advanced lessons. Just look for the different playlists. I'm really focused on trying to help you learn why things happen the way they happen, not just how. A lot of people will show you how to play a song. I want to try to explain to you why you're doing what you're doing and why the chords work the way they work, to understand the theory behind it, the techniques involved, so ultimately you can create your own music and you won't have to just play what you've memorized, but you can do your own thing. That's kind of the goal, is to create your own voice on the instrument. There's lessons on the channel with different techniques. There's songwriting, there's riff writing, there's improvisation, there's music theory, there's chord theory, lots of different things to dig into across the board. So please feel free to look around and see what you can find that works for you. We're here for a purpose. We want to learn how to play this instrument and become better at it, to develop our skills and develop our abilities, to advance our cause. At the same time, it's supposed to be a good time. There's nothing in the world is more fun than playing guitar. So hopefully there's a good blend of seriousness and also some goofiness and some lightheartedness too, because you have to enjoy playing guitar. It is really super fun. The channel also features gear reviews, guitar reviews, amplifiers, pedals, tone talk, things like that, performance videos, and also my Dr. Ooze ramblings, where I'm just talking about whatever I feel like talking about with guitar that I think might be interesting for you. Keep an eye out for lesson courses coming soon. I'm really excited to take these years of teaching and put them into lesson courses. I am super excited to be offering these guitar lessons on YouTube. Hopefully they'll help you to learn and to grow and to get better with your playing. Please hit that subscribe button and click the bell for notifications. And in the comment section down below, you'll find links from our websites and other guitar resources like my original music and other teaching tools and private lessons. And please feel free to leave comments and hit the like button. I'm so excited to be building this community. Hopefully I can help you learn to play the guitar better and to help you fall in love with the instrument and to achieve your guitar dreams and goals. Thank you so much.